Come closer, little ones. Gather round the bonfire. The stars are twinkling above us, and there's a gentle breeze in the air, perfect for storytelling. You know, when I was your age, just like you, I used to think all monsters were scary creatures hiding under beds or lurking in dark closets. But oh, how wrong I was. Let me tell you about something that happened in a village not too far from here many years ago. It was a place much like ours, with cozy houses, friendly neighbors, and children playing in the streets. One particularly stormy night, the wind howled fiercer than anyone had ever heard before. The rain poured down in sheets, and lightning lit up the sky like nature's own fireworks show. The villagers huddled in their homes, worried about what morning would bring, and they were right to worry. When dawn broke, they found their village in shambles. Roofs torn off, trees uprooted, gardens destroyed. The villagers stood in the street, some crying, others simply staring in disbelief at what remained of their homes. But then, mysteriously, something extraordinary happened. As the morning mist cleared, large shadows appeared on the hillside. The villagers gasped. Some even screamed, because there, emerging from the forest, were creatures they'd never seen before. Monsters of all shapes and sizes. But these weren't the scary monsters from your storybooks. No. The tallest one, with purple fur and gentle eyes, began picking up fallen trees with its enormous hands. Another, covered in scales that sparkled like diamonds, used its long tail to sweep away debris. A third monster, round and fluffy like a giant cotton ball, cradled damaged flower beds in its soft paws and somehow made the flowers bloom again. Hour after hour, the monsters worked alongside the astonished villagers. They fixed roofs, rebuilt walls, and even helped replant the community garden. The children of the village were the first to approach them, offering water and sandwiches to their new friends. By sunset, the village wasn't just repaired, it was more beautiful than ever. The monsters had added their own special touches. Glowing mushrooms along the pathways, rainbow-colored moss on the walls, and flowers that seemed to sing in the breeze. You see, my dear children, sometimes the things we fear the most turn out to be the most wonderful surprises. Those monsters taught the villagers, and now they're teaching you that kindness can come in the most unexpected packages. The size of someone's heart matters far more than how they look on the outside. Next time you think you see a monster, remember this story. Maybe, just maybe, they're just waiting for a chance to show you how gentle and kind they can be. After all, the best friends often come in the most surprising forms. Now, who wants to roast some marshmallows while I tell you about the time a family of friendly dragons moved into the old lighthouse?